Okay, my name is Dino, and Dino is the character is the boy in the film, and he's adventurous. He loves thrill. He loves parties. He loves fun, and he likes doing things without thinking, which I think is the biggest thing to do with youth today. I think young people today who are 19 and 20 do things without thinking, and they land themselves up in a lot of problems. And through the course of the film, you realize that Dino and Karishma, who's Dino's best friend, make a lot of mistakes, and they eventually grow up.
But what is the basic plot of the movie?
The plot of the movie, जी. तो basically ये है कि the plot of the movie is that Dino and Karishma were best friends. They run away. And why they run away is because the girl's father, Karishma's father, wants to get her married, and she's not ready. Like any other 20-year-old girl, of course, their ambitions are to do work or to have a normal life and then get married. Unfortunately, Dino can't go and tell her father anything. He gets slapped. He can't go and tell his own father. He gets double slapped. So he has no option. So they run away. And on the way, on the run, they discover love. They discover friendship. They discover a lot of fights. And that's where the journey begins.
Can you tell me something about your camera?
So my character, her name is called Karishma Shetty, and she's from a Mangalorean family. So she's, her family is very traditional, but because she studies in Bombay, she's more modern, and she's a very fun-loving person, very spunky, but she's, sort of more settled and practical in nature as compared to Dino. And the story and the movie is about Dino and Karishma's relationship and the journey that they have, and the sort of, where all they go and how their lives change because of some decisions that they take. And it's about making mistakes and growing up and learning from your mistakes and still standing another day.
What really made you to be part of this movie? What was so interesting about the plot, the music part?
I'll tell you honestly, the music wasn't set before I started. The music and I think everything, the technical team, the musicians, everyone got on board really after Arif sir casted me. So what happened was basically for me, I've always wanted to do, and especially your first film is so important, and so I believe it needs to be connectable. So for me, I was probably looking for a good script, and it fell into my arms. The script just fell into my hands, and it was purely for the character. Was very connectable. Was very endearing. I fell in love with the character in the first 15 pages of the script. And once the whole narration was done, I was completely in love with the script. I was in love with the character and with Arif sir, who was the director of the film. And I guess that's probably my primary reason for choosing the film. There was no other reason for choosing it.
Why did you choose this movie? What was the reason for it? So the plot of the movie, music of the movie. What was the reason to select the movie?
Actually, when I heard the script for the first time and I sort of, got a flavor of what this movie is about, I absolutely loved it. And there are very few times that at the first time when you hear a script, you're like, feel it so good. And so at that point, I was like, I have to be a part of this movie. And, that time I didn't know that Mr. Rahman is he's doing the music. And I remember that my audition process was still going on. And after that, they told me that Mr. Rahman is doing the music of this movie. And for me, that was such a big factor. That was like a bigger factor for me than to work harder in this movie. So I think it would be a combination of the script of Rahman sir, of the conviction that Arif sir, our director, had, and the sort of backing that Illuminati gave us as a production house made me feel very confident that so many good people, so many great people are believing in our script. So that gave me a very good level of confidence.